Hi friends. If you are going to stay in the first world hotel at Genting Highlands, you need to see this video. Here, I will share some really useful information regarding the problems you are likely to face while checking in at First World Hotel. There are quite a few problems relating to the time it may take for the check-in process, or how long you may have to wait, when is the best time for check-in, and whether you will get a room according to your preference. I will also share the details of a place where you can store your bags while you wait to get a room. Let's begin. First World Hotel is the world's largest hotel, with 7,351 rooms. And with so many people trying to check in at the same time, there are bound to be delays. But the actual delay you may have to face here can even be a couple of hours, or even longer. To make the process quicker, the hotel has provided self-service kiosks, where the guests can check in themselves. But to use a kiosk for check-in, you will need either a Malaysian ID, or a passport with a chip embedded in it. If you are not Malaysian, and your passport does not have a chip, you cannot do self-check-in. Instead, you have to go to one of the assistance kiosks, where the hotel's employees will do the check-in for you. Unfortunately, queues at these assistance kiosks can be really long, resulting in a wait time of 1 hour or even longer. You do have the option of going to a check-in counter, but you have to pay a counter check-in fee, and there again, you have to stand in a long queue. The standard check-in time is 3 p.m., and if you get there between 3 and 5 p.m., you will likely wait in queue for more than 1 hour. Luckily, the hotel has provided a solution to make the wait easier. If you find the queues too long, and do not wish to wait there is the option of leaving your bags at this bag storage counter. Spend your time somewhere in the resort, and come back later, when the queues are gone. Bags can be stored here before checking in, and after checking out. There is no charge. There is another practical option to reduce the wait time. If you arrive before 3 p.m., you can do an early check-in. Early check-in is possible between 6 a.m. and 3 p.m., but you have to pay an early check-in fee, between 5 and 20 ringgits, depending on how early you want a room. Actually, it is good, because getting there early lets you avoid a long wait in the queue. The small extra fee you pay is totally worth it. An early check-in may also help you in getting a room of your choice, particularly if you want a room with a mountain or park view. But the rooms with a view are always in short supply, and checking in early does not guarantee it. Also, the rooms with a view cost a little extra, and the extra fee has to be paid at the time of check-in. There is another problem with room allotment, which you need to know. If you are traveling in a group, and have booked more than one room, there is no guarantee that you will get adjoining rooms. Many times, the hotel can only provide rooms on the same floor, and even for that, you need to go to the check-in counter. Rooms with single or twin beds can be requested free of charge, and are given subject to availability. The check-in process at this hotel includes payment of tourism tax and sustainability fee. Regardless of the room or rooms you get, you have to pay Malaysian government tourism tax, 10 ringgits per room per night, and a sustainability fee, 3 ringgits per room per night. These charges have to be paid in cash or by card at the time of checking in. If for any reason you wish to request a change of room, do it before 8 p.m. at the check-in counter. Subject to availability, they will change your room free of cost. Request for a late checkout can also be made at these counters. Usually, a late checkout is allowed for a maximum of 1 hour. The regular checkout time is 11 a.m. For checking out, all you have to do is insert your key card in one of these checkout machines. If the machine has accepted your card, you can leave the hotel. I have covered the essential details here. For any more information or clarification, please write a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Malaysia and other countries. Many thanks for watching.